let's move on to our garlic. 1 large clove of garlic right there. And you know what we're going to do with this, right? We're going to get our garlic press handy. You know how much I love my Zyliss garlic press, right? The Zyliss, I love it. I want to tell you another story. Man, I'm just full of stories tonight. Online recently, and I believe the online publication was Epicurious. There was an article that popped up. I can't remember what I was searching for or whatever. It popped up, and the title of the article was, "A Garlic Press Will Ruin Your Food, Will Ruin Your Cooking," something like this. And I thought, what is this nonsense? But it's clickbait, because guess what I did? I clicked on it. I read the article. Some lady that's a writer for Epicurious, because I was curious to see what kind of malarkey she was going to tell you. And she was saying that a garlic press will ruin your cooking because it makes it so fine, you add it to a hot pan, it's going to scorch and burn and get bitter instantly. And I'm like, holy mackerel, this lady knows nothing about cooking, because obviously if you're going to have that fine a piece of garlic, you're not going to put it on a hot pan if you know anything about cooking, because you know it's going to burn. We've been there in the classes, folks. What have I always told you to do? If we have a hot wok or something, I always get you to add the garlic later when you're adding a whole bunch of vegetables or the cold chicken or whatever, because I tell you at that point it's going to burn. So give me a break. What kind of crap is they handing out here? And then she also quotes in there, and hey, I don't like to speak ill of the dead, but supposedly, and she quoted this in her article, Anthony Bourdain says that you use a garlic press, you're surely going straight to hell. Like, what are with these people and they don't like the garlic press? It gets you fine garlic all the time. And it's not a pain to wash if you throw in your sink full of hot soapy water, right? So I don't know what gives. I don't know what this nonsense is going on out there. I think they have problems trying to find new things to write about. I have no idea. And I promise you, you won't go to hell for using garlic press. Okay, I can promise you that. I really can. All right, next ingredient.